I'm here to show you don't actually need a strategy to make money. All you need is experience. Obviously, it helps, but I'm going to show you exactly how I backtest and how I'm going to produce a profit. So in FX Replay, so I'm going to go to the pairs here, and I'm going to open it up and pick a Forex pair, go to a random number generator, and let's see what it generates. The 13th FX pair I'm going to choose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Euro GBP. Let's see, what year is it going to be? I think FX Replay goes back to 2018 or 17, something like that. So this is a pair I don't trade, by the way, live. So let's go to 2023. 2023. And then what month will it be? 1 to 12. Okay. Third month. March. Cool. What day? Doesn't really matter. But let's pick a day in March. The 14th. Cool. 14th of March, 2023. Let's go. The end date, I'll just put that as today so we can go as far as we need to. And I will save this test. Let's go. So I'm going to set the dollar amount to $1,000 because I want to uh, capital partition my capital. So I'm going to risk a high percentage, maybe about a third of the account, but then also have four more tries, four more allotments available to me to be able to just put that straight away if I lose one. It doesn't matter. I know my stats. It does not matter. So I'm just going to show you on the hourly chart that I don't really, you don't really don't need an edge. The edge isn't what makes people profitable. It's the intuition and the risk management. Okay, so I'm going to try and represent that here with not drawing anything on the charts. All right. So let's see where the 4 hour is going. Oh, it's pretty freaking sideways, I would say. Jesus Christ. How's the daily doing? it's 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 just a sideways range really, and we're bang in the middle, so it's not a good start. Okay, no worries. Let's look at the more immediate price action to actually figure out what I'm going to do. So oh my gosh, it's so sideways. This is a really really bad month to try this in. Okay, it's just range bound and we're completely in the middle, so let's keep going for a bit. Let's see what happens. Ooh, yeah, it's not. Whoa, unpredictable, I would say. Unpredictable. At least we've come to the bottom of the range somewhat of this smaller range. We're making our way up. I would say I'm going to enter a long position right now. Let's see, with about a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's just see the lot size for, let's just risk 30% of the account and 0.45 lots. So I'm just going to put that in here and just for zero point 0.4. So I'm going to buy. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it's too quick. I would have taken profits there, but I pressed it too quickly. Never mind. Let me just see if price will go back there again, because I think it will. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna keep in this trade, just see what happens. Cool. Like I said, I would have taken it there. Let's just see. Ooh, very nice bullish candles. I'm gonna take profits. At this point, we've made like almost 19% profit with this. Can't be too greedy. That's pretty good. I'm gonna save it there. Okay, so we had £1,000. Now we have 1,189. Sorry, dollars. So let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. It came back straight away. And I'm gonna just mark up my trades real quick. So we entered here, yeah, around here, and exited here. Just so we can go back in time and just have a little look of what actually happened. So cool. I'm gonna go long again. We're sort of still in the middle of this range. But I think there's still space to go up. So I'm gonna enter another long position. Let's go. I'm betting on that this high will get run. So there we go. Another 16%. What time is it? It's like midnight. So the candles, if I keep pushing it forwards, the candles will not move huge amounts likely. So I think I'm going to take it here at 16%. Okay. And we're at 35% profit. So I'm just going to go and just check out the stats. Oh no, no, don't join the Discords. This is a pair I haven't seen before. I haven't drawn anything on the charts. I'm simply looking at into my own experience about 5,000 hours with the whole, uh, you name it, Wyckoff, SMC, uh, French baguette toast strategy. I'm on it. I've seen it. I've done it. I've done ICT, smart money concepts, liquidity, inducement, flip zone, entry model, whatever. Um, okay. There's random tests. Let's see the analytics for it. See, 35%. Cool. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I didn't put in my entry again. It was like there somewhere, and then I took profits there again. Cool. So let's see what happens. It seemed to be in an uptrend. Simply like that was it. The trend sort of started like it was going to reverse, and then it did. So let's see if we can continue this. Obviously, in the beginning of a reversal, it's better to, it's higher probability to be in the beginning of a move rather than at the end. And this whole thing could be just big range, and it's literally just been ranging up and down. So the higher up we go in this range, the less likely we are to get long positions, in my opinion. So I'm just going to keep it chill. We've made 35% in, let's just see how long it was exactly on the hourly chart in 6 days. 6 days, 35%. Okay, come on. Let's see. Whoa, beautiful. Really big, clear moves are happening right now, in my opinion. What's the time? It's Asia. Let's go into London. It's bouncing off something. Um, Unclear at this point. Unclear is what I would say. And you know what? If I'm not sure, I'm not going to enter. There are 14 other pairs I can look at right now. So I can just go and flick through other pairs. Whoa, okay. Now something interesting has happened. I would bet that it's going to go longer from here, but I don't think it's the highest of probabilities at this point. Let's just have a think about this. Yeah, why not? We're backtesting. Let's go long here again. Okay, right there. Another buy position. What's the time? End of New York. sometimes at 8 o'clock New York, it really brings on some big moves. But I'm talking like this was the Nasdaq or something. Yeah, it seems to be rejecting that zone. Yeah, let's see. 5% in the clear. It looks like it's going up still, so I'm gonna hold. Yeah. Okay, we're at midnight. This is iffy. This is very iffy at this point. If the candles were moving slower, I would have gotten out there for break even. But let's just see. Okay, we're breaking below. We're minus 10% in the hold. Still kind of in the middle of the range, but maybe we're in the lower part of this range. So, like I said, I have no. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna keep going because there are some lower lows here, which where it can bounce from, and it bounced. So let's keep going a bit. Like I said, I would have taken profits there. Let's just write this one out. Okay. Let's see what's going on now. I'm going to stick with the position because I would have, if I wasn't in one already, I would have probably entered one around here when it started moving up. So I'm going to stay in this one and then see how far we can go up. It looks like it's kind of reversing. So there's just momentum to the upside. So I'm going to stay in the trade a little bit. Probably this is what I'm expecting, probably, but I'm going to stay in the trade. Let's see what happens. Beautiful. Look at I again, I would have taken profit there. But since I go too quickly just to show you guys, I'm just gonna just trust it one more push because look, it's been going down, up, down, up, down, up in some definitions or vernacular they call that like a push, a thrust, a pullback, and a push up again, or initiation and then retracement or whatever the fuck. I don't care. So I'm just gonna. I trust it to go like one more, basically one more push, one more thrust. There we go. Okay, cool. So we're at 16%. We're gonna close, and let's see where we're at. We're made 50% of the account, and in okay, let's see how long it was. Right there, we started on the 16th of March. And yeah, it's 14th of April. So a month. We made 50% in a month. Okay. We could have just as easily lost this account, but we made this in a month. So hopefully this was a good demonstration of you don't really need a strategy. Obviously, what you need is a lot of experience. Nothing's black and white. If you start to trade, you'll probably lose money, even if you listen to everything that I say. The only thing you can do, in my opinion, is to just practice. And, at this point, maybe if the account doubles in the next couple of months, and I would probably take the profits and then just leave the initial account and then just double it again, take it, double it again, take it. But obviously, this is just one pair, and in reality, when I've put 1, 2, 3 trades in a month, you'll be able to put like way more of those trades in other pairs when you're trading live. Obviously, this is the hourly chart. You have ages to put in your uh, your positions and think this through. We did this in a couple of minutes, but a couple of minutes is all you need to actually invest in time wise. So, well done for making it this far into the video. If you actually like the video, then do whatever the fuck you want. I don't really care. So, have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.